After all these things, I mean, can't accept we want some. Freedom of expression is being sacrificed for political convenience. And yes, Mahama Bawumia, MPP for Kwasiafo no omko didi ekobu mraso no corner ho. You see, sometimes the problem I have with politicians, and then they say, some petumi anoma ye Jimmy for. And not all politicians. Some politicians, when they want power, they become so dumb and stupid. And a typical example of a politician who is dumb is Bawumia. You know why? In the first place, you ask yourself, say, "Sa I'm ranting a chi omu omukoka in sem efa eye president ho and in sema omukoka ya ne enima aban chi omu." You ask yourself, say, "Osha emrana nkasa upon the political gymnastics going on." And it sound kwasi propaganda question. One kasa busa ho say, "The enkofo ni ye no was it right?" Because sa boy ya wa jefu jimi ya on the chairman abronye omukodi boni ti aga na mra ye chi omo no. I'm asking you Bawumia say sa boy no okofa wo yire ene wo Bawumia o picture beto social media say wo ye kremoni a wo wi preku onom nsa onum wi ene wo yire okofa ne picture beto no hye G string say wo yire no eye uche ene di no ena sebi o jantra na no obo no gimpa. Are you going to be happy about it? I'm asking you. So it's not because you want power and Jimmy Sambia as a politician who wants power, you follow it. No. It's because these foolish people, they have committed a crime. You come out and say our freedom of expression. Bawumia, sometimes you act like you are stupid. You are not too. You are forcing us to say you are stupid or you are dumb. And I don't want to use those words at you because you need to be 100% matured in these kind of things. And your question, penny be obeko MPP. Akojina in the name of MPP, ABB, no babe jina de. No. The freedom of expression, it ends at a point. Because so be before picture, not before my picture, not or the better just about Bawumia on by autistic, not or by a picture, be between. Are you going to be happy about it? Say Bawumia, obi before your picture. No, cause a brand when they do it. Now, or introduce or baby, extra brand or bano, edgy, or brand through yirism. Now, brand near the picture near or the obaso, and now Bawumia or yiripenny. Are you going to be happy? That is somebody going beyond a freedom of speech. So when you are a politician, it does not mean that kwasiebia in the name of party. You basically follow them and make stupid statement. This is careless statement you are making. So what are you protecting here? Are you protecting the foolish people who broke the law? Abronye bedi sankwase assembly we na ye pen achina kotunu watenenka. Abronye sat on national television, radio and TV and told Ghana for say judge ni aban assign a contract aba understanding say judge ni akromfo person obua MPP for. Are you reasonable enough to define such acts? But we actually wait Jimmy. Actually you are not smart in politics. Actually you are so daft to the point whereby enkwase assembly na also. The question is, ask yourself, did they break the law? They can do all the gymnastics and say, yeah, buying also, and that is their problem. The question here is, why hasn't every MPP person been arrested? But also a communication, you ask yourself, did he go by the law? That is what you ask yourself first before you stupidly make a statement. They be obviously do atem. They be obviously case we Jimmy. They be obviously case we adwiri form. You act as if say we akwara. Are you stupid? You should not be that stupid. You should not just make these small boys lure you to go make statements that are stupid. You are a political party head. You are the leader of the party. And if you're a leader of the party, you should make sure say every single person abide by the law. Because Obi Obedim Brand, I don't think the Ghana Police Service, they are stupid to arrest anybody. I don't think the Ghana Police Service, they are stupid to arrest everybody. So did you ask them what you did? Are you sure that you did not break the law? But you see, they have moved away from that conversation. Now they are doing that emotional, sentimental. They do just emotional politics. Why breast the one should be an emra new ho and emra is being applied. So when you need onya kwara biebo first na wujimi when I say abozi Jimmy Bawumia, don't do that again. At least you have seen defeat before. At least you have been in government before. You have seen what your politics is. Don't still be the old Bawumia. We are not seeing any difference from you. Dada na ni Jimmy na and Ankura ko Jimmy ba na so. What political convenience? Anytime me busa wo say ende. So obi sorry wo Ghana. Na ofa picture a woti preko so you preko a wonum whiskey. A wonum wigu so. Na wo yere ehye G-string. Na osofo bi be ma hye de to. Na wo to Facebook. Are you going to be happy about it? And I say obi akofa wo ma say wo ma ye autistic. Sebio because of my autistic. No be a picture de to. Are you going to be happy about it? It's against the law. The act is there. The act is there. So why do you get up and say that is freedom of speech? Are you stupid? Sometimes no. And people ask say what's your answer be free? What has happened? What's your answer be free? What happened? What's your answer be? Jimina, and you are making this small boys a Jimmy 4-way. They are still derailing you. You are not selective. You don't sit down to analyze. Who you'll be and Kaube releases statement say that act by these piglets are not acts that you basically support. Who we are. Then maybe if you have the brains to condemn the government, you can. But you want it to look like sa act, no? You support it 100%. That makes you foolish. Because then, what do you want to come in and protect? What do you want to come in and protect? You have no principles. Because now you are in opposition and you are protecting crime. You are defending stupidity. You are here telling us to say, Obi boom raswa, near China, the freedom of speech is being what? Is being sacrificed. Are you crazy? You are still not intelligent when it comes to political communication. You are still daft. You are weak. And then you need to move away. Why do you know what form? You were supposed to be the first person to condemn that action. You were the first person. It is Obi in the past. Or say Obi been there. Na emrani ho. Are there no laws in Ghana? Intenda no kwasiebia kodi kwa some MPP near China. You are going to come tell us to say freedom of expression is being sacrificed? Are you stupid? You don't put yourself there for every single individual to insult you. And you see, they are not smart. They are stupid. They are not intelligent. Whatever you say today, we people like us who are rational will read meanings into it and make it clear to you that whether you are making sense, you are being more foolish. It is looking like you will still want to be more foolish. You will still want us to categorize you and put you in that foolish basket. Because this, what are you trying to prove here? Who are you protecting here? Emrabe na police buso. In your man and comfort here, Abronya bedi sanko as Martin and Cambium. That is what he does. Oba, no obedin kwatasem, na imrachina, no akwatite. Bola so kramai sa no motie. Bola so mponche sa no motie. Obedin kwasiasem no, onsa Abronya bedin kwasma and cambrane chin na, ye pere na kotum, no so akwatite. That is what they do. Bawumia them tells them, kwatite. And when you hear them, or you listen to them, they have moved away from the Abronya action. They are trying to do what? Trying to do this sympathetic kind of politics with Saboy Jevuna. You're trying to quote Jimmy, no? Oh, Yachi and Bono communication. Kwasiampenyi way onimunyansa. Kwasiampenyi onimunyansa we boom rasono. You Bawumia, you sit at home. You have low voltage. Why do you know what form? Why do you say Jerry Bob? You are not smart. Inti omu keep you or them some men kasa sana still nothing was changing. Bawumia don't speak in ya, nothing has changed. Dada na, nyanchong, toilet semono, enkwasiake kansa. You still cannot understand political dynamics, political communication, what to say at what time, what to protect and what not to protect, how to look, how to be seen as a good a good leader. You still not learn these basic things. These are basic things you need to know, fundamentals. Sometimes you speak on issues to prove to the people that you have principle. You have no principle. And to MPP inquire, let me go and support. No. Nana be Jimmy way because you're paying way. And now bet now with him now. Also, untumin ka otonchom ekekankwasiasem and the political expression and the freedom of enkwasiasem. So what are you defending here? Oh, problem. Oh, biggest problem. And they say battery na shout no ready battery. They be so. That's your problem. Your company will fu. You did what time? One me time. Me ho fa chen me so wa chen me say nipa me wosika chen the way we are me wiaske bia enti there's no way I will me town. I am telling you the truth. You can't say no bo furu mu na no akono whiskey no akoda, but we are telling you the truth. Anything na oba oyire kwasiampa yin nam odena mu nduro so no me sese maka kire no me ni wie you Samira Bawumia wallahi Samira obi be mbodi we wiasam de be che na nya Samira Bawumia. I swear to God Samira ni Afenyo Markin. the two of them. Minimum Mukaku. Share. Sentiment catch Samira. Sibia or Donemba, a Donu Sana Mesome Domemba Domire. Near Besha di Obeka. Kwasiasam, you people think it's a joke. I didn't say fool and into a crazy or party. Now, Shadie MPP for ever primaries, make a be tremo. Make a jam say. Make a jam say. Kennedy Agyapong, any sicker in Hiano, on the brand champion, they need their money. Now, Kennedy Agyapong supporters no, utu for 1 month. Before primaries, make a just ombe the day before primaries, me chemo aba Bawumia benya. Me nkwana to me exactly what Bawumia will get. Anameboa. Mahama Bawumia and MPP, I know where their soul is. They cannot escape it. They are done. Me nkwana nipa me to me chemo exactly aba Bawumia benya in the elections, and I gave it to you people. Raw number and Fahon, because I know the soul of the party. I control it. I know every single thing in and out of the party. Nobody in the party can evade me, my scrutiny. Nobody. And I know how this party is going to end. I know. And Mumusa Samira knows. Mumusa Samira don't come about Bubu them and say, I don't know. She knows I know. Let me tell you. Bawumia has made a personal and private visit to Kennedy Agyapong on how to unite MPP and win power in 2028. Samia Wuku say, on ne kasama Bawumia kasama for no kahombi. Or say, Mahama Bawumia kwasra Kennedy Agyapong. Sorry guys, sorry. Or say, Mahama Bawumia akwasra Kennedy Agyapong. Ewo ni fie kukuam. Ene Kennedy akodin komo say ombra na yenka party ni mbom na one na yere ni wini power. Samia Wuku na eka o se we enye secret. Mahama Bawumia na man ho kwan se on be kan kire. Bawumia ko kukuom ene Kennedy akoye meeting. Me catch them from the beginning say Kennedy, it was about his money. 2024. And I'm catching say Kennedy is a businessman and I respect him for that. Onya kwasia. Ohie sika a complete Nicole store business. The steel factory. He needs money. Sa election where omo na omo regi me catch Kennedy from the beginning said they will rig it. And I even knew aba na Bawumia benya because whatever Bawumia does on the yere omo democrat I know. But Kennedy didn't listen to me. And you see, Kennedy Agyapong nipa bia sometimes oma nakoma odidi nipa bi echi a sebi odo nipa no e deceive no. All the MPs are not bidi Bawumia echi. They had gotten help from Kennedy before. But you see, they knew say Kennedy obia sebi omo di tumi mana party no omo ntumi nye de ompese omo ye because Kennedy want to click or the omo ba omo so be damage. And the Kennedy didn't click bebankwa there, they will also make sure they protect Bawumia and rig the elections. Now, my man can't show on authority. The meeting between Kennedy and Bawumia, and this is what happened. Kennedy Agyapong is telling them, say he spent a lot of money on the elections. In fact, let me give you the exact amount. Kennedy Agyapong, Bawumia kono hono kache Bawumia say he is not interested in MPP, whether he wins or MPP loses. But if he's going to make any public statement and basically convince the base, to follow Bawumia 2028, he will need some agreement done. Now that is why Bawumia has not been able to come out publicly himself to tell you, say, only Kennedy a meeting. And that is why you never saw a picture or a video of Kennedy Bawumia in a meeting or exchanging pleasantries. No. Because the agreement is Kennedy Bawumia said he spent 1.2 billion cedis on the elections. Or Bawumia say the amount of money he spent on elections was 1.2 billion Ghana cedis. And that he will only 1.2 billion Now, Okachan say that in dollars, $92 million. That is the amount of money Kennedy Agyapong spent on the elections. Okachan Bawumia say he knows they rigged the elections. Brand Agyapong soon said they rigged the elections. He needs that his $92 million back. And that if they can sign a document for Bawumia to pay 60% of the $92 million, he will start campaigning for Bawumia. Now, this statement I can't catch Bawumia no, and then I'm more home. And in Samia Ukukaro say Bawumia has made a personal and private visit to Kennedy. Kennedy is asking for his money or spending 1.2 billion Ghana cedis. In dollar terms, $92 million. Now, Kennedy is saying, first, he needs about $40 million on the table. Out of the 92 million, Bawumia should pay $40 million before he will even come out and recognize Bawumia as the leader of the NPP. So right now, Bawumia needs to make sure, we to raise $40 million in the minimum here before Kennedy will come out and speak. And until Bawumia raises the $40 million, Kennedy will never. But I know Yama Kennedy Agyapong supporters, because you see, from the beginning, Kennedy say, tell the supporters the truth. You are into this because of business. It is about money. It is not about them. It is not about Bawumia. It is not about MPP. It's about you building your finances. Because Ande Kufuado, you were all over the place telling Ghana for so the little money that is left, you were supposed to tell your followers and say, it is not about power. It is about you getting your money back. It's right now as you speak, $92 million. And I Kennedy, I catch Bawumia say he needs back. Now remember, Brian Agyapong young Canadian. Brian Agyapong. Onyambie na no enka ono so sika ohwere enti sa okaya the day na omo se Bawumia wini e wo stage no Brian Agyapong ka asem bi che Kennedy Kennedy ka asem bi che Brian Agyapong and Brian Agyapong yes shocked. That was the amount he was telling him, that this is the amount I have spent and they have rigged the elections, because the day before no bebe ka kire mo exactly figure Bawumia benya. In fact, what they did was that they had to drop a omo figure no 1 point send a beya. They will not say Kevin Taylor figure no kind and one about me. I know what Bawumia will get in 2028. I know what Mahmoud Bawumia will get in 2028. I can tell you today. I know what he will get. With or without Mahama, I know what Bawumia will get. And he cannot escape it because it has been tied to his destiny. And Bawumia's numbers, it has been tied to his destiny. He cannot escape it. Anybody who tries to separate that number from Bawumia, he will end up destroying Bawumia, and you might not even see Bawumia survive. I'm telling you, because it has been tied to Bawumia's destiny, and I know Bawumia's numbers. So this is what is going on. Into Kennedy is saying he spent $92 million, or he have $40 million now to prove say or be support now. Now when you the other part of the party be support now. 52 now they will give it to you before election 2028. That is why they are still where they are. So the day you hear Kennedy Agyapong come out to tell the base, or the supporters and say, oh, yeah, party bako, mama support, because right now Kennedy is going to make vague statements. Do you know what vague statements are? He's going to speak like party a good party pa, mama ubiando party. He's never going to be specific that vote for Bawumia and let Bawumia lead on until the 40 million is paid. Kennedy is going to make vague statements. And over TV to say party ni there, your party MPP there, better check NDC. Obey sa statement he will never officially, boldly have a one-on-one or stand on any stage and say go and vote for Bawumia to be president. Never, until the $40 million hits his account. And who is Kennedy using? He's using his supporters. The people who put their lives on the line to argue, defend, campaign for Kennedy. Those are the people Kennedy is using. And I'm giving you the clue today. From Endako, Kennedy will start making statements. Take your time very well and listen to his statements. Until Bawumia hands over the $40 million to Kennedy, all his statements are going to be vague. You can say vague, because he does not want to campaign for Bawumia until the 40 million, the 92 million, or 40 million before August 2026. before August 2026, Bawumia needs to pay the $40 million. Bawumia has money. They have agreed. They have agreed to pay that money. So he's waiting. Or change Sasikano. It's from when they kono. So what is the Kennedy MPP asema? He is going to talk about the founding fathers. He's going to talk about party there. Yama Ghana for nyina or see nyina ya do party no ombie na no da enka say mo Ghana for mo MPP for muntie me Kennedy. Na yam for support ma Bawumia, he will never do it. The day he will make that statement, not that day they have paid the $40 million. You see, Mamencho, the hypocrisy of the NPP. And you're sorry, not MPP for. Team, stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Minority stands firm with the OSP in these trying times. Almost say MPP for and Tampori and Tampuli. Hassan Tampuri. Your friend Tampuri Nukranya de. Hassan Tampuri. Hassan Bolaso. Hassan Tampuri LED MPP minority. So I'm a press conference. Adentra almost say they support the OSP. Suddenly, these people support the OSP. Almost say almost support the OSP. A DNAC, one atata OSP. The question here is, a dear pana obia yetia OSP. Mamenka we binche Ghana for. When this OSP matter started, 99% of Ghana for omu radios no any MPP, MPs, any omu communicators no kreti bibi to mutimu say ya attorney general na de OSP akokota na meboa. Until say nya abutre echichi butre Ghana for say attorney general na nkasa kurampo no asema ema OSP asem ebeda court no na onimu hu bibia. So from the beginning no the MPP created bibito system nim almost started the jandam bibito system nim say attorney general na de OSP akọ court because attorney general per se ye twa OSP office nim, but later and the nyina tina asibebu say questions what really happened for this matter to get to court, and you be who say sana eyedian nipa bia na omo Bawumia office they were involved in criminality OSP edi omo ko gina court omo mom and then omo gina court omo ka che judge say OSP ni to me impo say obe prosecute omo enye attorney general ayeni anasrim side enti asem start here no omo magana for GBB say and this in OSP office no and this person go office no na attorney general court enso asem na nkasa ntesa na dey one asem we mu nyina say and the MPP a press conference. Now press conference in the saying, I'm press conference. I'm kind of say, I'm do full support. Emma Edia OSP, and they are going to protect the OSP's office. Really? Instead of being I'm kind of be I'm say, minority urges fast tracking of OSP Supreme Court case, urges Mahama to state position on the anti-corruption body. I'm press conference now. Tampuri and or say. Omo de omo nim say OSP na and the only two me say obe prosecutor asem na kopie Supreme Court no omo de omo pese Supreme Court di asem ten na omo say ebusa Mahama say eba special prosecutor office na ne stance ne saying now me enko chire kakana me nkyerɛ wade bi now asem ama OSP asem we nyina abaye winya wo Ghana ni nyina ne say asem no fiti ne chire no enie 2025 OSP charges former Vice President Mahmoud Bawumia staffer, 3 others with corruption over seized rice containers. Asabni nyinanye. Na abrantie bia oye dwuma Bawumia office. Oni nipa ba miensa. Ena sebio omo ne nipa bi bo kro no wotema port. Ena OSP echi omo. Ena o start say or investigate omo. Inti asema ma yesi OSP ni tumi obedi Ghana need na ko gina court nyina ha ne start free Mahmoud Bawumia we ya ne assistant o Bawumia office. Bawumia woni pa owo Bawumia office time na owo power no. Ena na omo de office ni ye business. Unim de esi ba me dwodwo mu nkyerɛw. Eto MPP no omo nya ni papa. adekudi job ye de we nyina ne say omunim say Bawumia office na ne ebo kro no na Bawumia select nipa ba ko office wa na all lead criminality no ena omu OSP na say obehwehwem enti Bawumia nipa na owo Bawumia office no ono na ende waba court be ka kire court say OSP na ye ne ba Ghana no ende o tata me na e se court ti ase say OSP oni to me say obe prosecute Ghana ni bia ne me ene na kofa say we nyina ba Mahamudu Bawumia nkasa staffer it is also ko akire na wo hwe asem no mu ankasa this is where the matter started ma menya breakdown bi nchiro we na be si asem bi so then see the case involved 10 containers of lily rice imported from Thailand. Importer be imported lily rice 10 containers. A more 10. Tie. MPP for Yankwasia 4. Now, imported 10 containers of rice, lily rice. No. 1. The OSP, as some can say, the rice belonged to a legitimate importer. A mono, nani pana or importer no, or a legitimate importer, or no one a cra nemo. A lily rice 10 containers no de ba Ghana legitimate per OSP case or making a court. 2 import duties had already been paid sa importer no otua duties ni nyina afenchem tie and then I go for OSP asem nyina ba Bawumia nkasa assistant one of the staffers no ejuma on office. 3 Issa Seidu allegedly used fake documents to claim ownership. Akwebi ani friend Issa Seidu ono and a cover fake documents be and will be claiming ownership of lily rice na the legitimate importer 10 containers from Thailand the diabano akwebi a friend Issa Seidu or no and OSP say or forge document say sa containers in na dia when you see MPP time remember refi and OSP say one of the fake supporting documents was a letter from the office of the vice president, allegedly signed by James Kek Osei. Sa Seidu no, Issa Seidu no, or the fake documents be claimu a mona na a good port one. Remember, important they will check duties in a money good port. And Issa Seidu no, edit documents by say container in a dia. And later no, OSP be who say, sa documents ne kutano no. Said you say or the document in free Bawumia officer a nipa your friend Kek Osei or your special aid to Bawumia or ni Bawumia office no on the sign ye not the signature was ye. It is said they have the power to come to the port to claim the 10 containers belonging to somebody no and say a Bawumia office the special aid or the one as sign documents on containers in on fa. Tie where you are some OSP the court in Jumuni. Now, make sure the Akofa OSP as a way in our bar and almost the OSP to be Prosecutorial about Miankasa 8 and then the OSP court to say OSP need 2 million per act now about Miamu so be prosecuted Ghana Nibia and then I make sure. Now, customs officials allegedly tried to process the rice for auction in favor of Seidu, even though he was not the owner. Into the air and say, Seidu na onye owner na o claim 10 containers no. Krata bikuta na Bawumia office and a trauma no. Na sa Seidu no oni eye custom officers bi akomutira bomu say sa emo no metwa no auction. It technically obi akra ne mo aba. Now we say a monodoso, a 10 containers, lily rice no. Na Bawumia office no, they manufacture the plan to basically take the person's rice from the person and sell it to themselves. Now, the accused persons in the case no any so nipa OSP echi omuko jina court no omu nyina omunye. Yawo according to the office of the special prosecutor, the 4 accused were Issa Seidu, an official at the National Insurance Commission. Sa Issa Seidu na okuta krata ya sign every Bawumia officer na ose ono ena sebio Bawumia mama ne letter say ombeji container 10 containers lily rice no sa nipa no oye djuma and the kufuado Bawumia no oye djuma wo the National Insurance Commission. Two, Yefrobi James Kek Osei, former director of administration at the office of the president, at the office of the vice president. Kek or say James Keck or say honestly one of the people at OSP di omko jina court saa akra no na oye dwuma ma Bawumia one Bawumia na tena se plan bibia saa akwa na cho letter no Bawumia man instructions on cho letter ne fama eye de say do no mo fa port no mo clear 10 containers of lily rice no mo bon auction no mo fa e ho na asem nyina free ba o. 3 John Aban, Principal Revenue Officer, Ghana Revenue Authority. Abranti Okawa OSP, a investigation or the count more than Kujina Cotton, near friend John Aban, or no so no Yujuma or Ghana Revenue Authority, none so count. And number 4, Peter Akibold Hyde, Principal Revenue Officer, Ghana Revenue Authority. Inti nipa mienu no mo Yujuma GRA. And a nipa bako na oye Juma el Bawumia office and a Isa Seidu sa nipa 9 wing omo na OSP chi omo nyina asem de mako gina court eho and a Bawumia special assistant no or the Bawumia and there or down the Bawumia plan politics how they go for your friend your friend James Keck or say no and hide no they are the people who went to court and can say OSP achie say our office of the president Yabokrono and the Bawumia officer yes you person check court and say per OSP Act no oni to me say obe prosecute Ghana ni bia into court no and stop OSP and no and the ma judge ne ka say so far no Attorney General's office and the biggest area officer edin sem into Attorney General's office for now should take over a OSP office no because as someone no akodi Supreme Court omo per interpretation. Enti de ema asem nyina be pie ha ende ye ka se NDC for no person mugu OSP officer Tampuri Jimmy for no press conference no obusa president is stating the stance no ni nyina ne se Bawumia nkwara the same MPP now omo drafty and omo put it together the OSP Act 959 no omo na say twa mo abeka kire mo say sa office they need to me say be prosecute enti why na u blame no. So how can an NPP person sit on radio and TV and say John Mahama ni NDC form pe OSP office because Mahama about power no. A man for be brainy NPP for raising issue say omo per se John Mahama sebio ongu OSP office. In fact NDC for raising issue no. John Mahama nya opportunity to speak no dia na John Mahama kan ye. Mumianko tie de John Mahama kan ye.
The people of Ghana will not forgive us if people develop impunity in terms of abusing the trust that people have put in them. And so that's why we're resourcing the Economic and Organized Crime Office and the other anti-corruption institutions, including the Office of the Special Prosecutor. And recently, there have been some controversy with the Office of the Special Prosecutor. I think it's premature to call for the closure of that office. The unique thing about that office is it is the only anti-corruption agency that has prosecutorial powers to be able to prosecute themselves without going through the Attorney General. And so people had mistrust for the Attorney General because the Attorney General normally is a member of government and is a minister of state. And so they believe that the Attorney General will be very reluctant to prosecute his own. But if there's an independent office like the Office of the Special Prosecutor, it won't matter who you are. Because they have security of tenure and they have prosecutorial powers, whether you're a member of government or you're a member of a previous government or you are anybody who has, misappropriated public funds, they have the law is behind them to be able to prosecute you. So I think we should give them a little time. Of course, people want to see, more prosecutions and more results. And so I'll just urge the OSP to speed up, some of these investigations and show people that the office is still very relevant. The people of Ghana will not forgive us if people...
President Pa, all along, we were all made to believe, say, the OSP Krampono or prosecutorial powers, because the act na MPP for nim say the OSP never had prosecutorial powers. But you see, MPP for me catch them say, a former Attorney General on the Omo Makajina Ebekachre said, any my Koko Ebekachre said, time and not Omo drafty act no. Behind the scenes, they knew said the OSP did not have that powers to prosecute. John Mahama stated the stance from the beginning said, oh no dear, he supports the office should stay. Interdina Tampuri Bejina radio, Sunni TV, so a press conference. Now also Busa president said, oh stating the stance. This guy is a fool. They are doing politics with the MPP in Kwara. When you say MPP for Jimmy, they don't read. Even when you listen to the president in the past, the president was saying, say, the OSP's office, you do what? We all know, say, it has prosecutorial powers until MPP for Ankasa Sabaye. Ebeka Chair said, no. Yen ye create Mrano. Yen and our power. Michael Quinn is speaker. Yen and our majority. We knew that the guy did not have prosecutorial power. We just wanted the office to be there. And it's in the Bawumia Kwara. Catcher say the OSP does not have the power to prosecute. And it's in the OSP Assembly was Supreme Court. Now, today the MPP are telling us to say, the OSP's office, no, NPP 4, any Attorney General, and Omakosha Kukuom no Mupeso Mugu OSP office, no. That is the NPP for you. In Tutia, the Attorney General did not defend the state institution but joined the assault on the OSP. He turned his weapon on his own client. The question here is the issue that happened. Nanka, I was Attorney General Niyadeng. Because as we see today, if the Attorney General takes a piece of paper and put it out and say, I have given the OSP the right to prosecute, somebody can also go to court and question the Attorney General that what is the legal basis or constitutional backing for that, the permission or authorization you have given the OSP? Because the act does not explicitly say that the OSP has that prosecutorial power. The act says he will need authorization from you. Even the authorization, should it just be on paper, or you, the OSP or the Attorney General, you need to go to Parliament and seek their permission to give that authorization? Because if the Attorney General today, extra paper can say, I've given OSP authorization, somebody can still also sue the Attorney General and say, per the act, you are supposed to give authorization. How is the authorization supposed to be done? Is it supposed to be done through a written document, or you need to go to Parliament and seek an amendment or some power to back that authorization? Because when the OSP puts something on paper and gives to the Attorney General, or the Attorney General puts something on paper and gives to the OSP, it is not law. Even though the act is saying he can authorize, there should be some legal basis backing that documentation. Now the question here is, if somebody takes the Attorney General to court and tells the Attorney General, even though you have given authorization, let us see the constitutional backing for that authorization. What is the Attorney General going to say? The Attorney General will say that, then let me go back to Parliament and get a constitutional backing for that authorization. As we sit here, you cannot just say the OSP, Attorney General did not do anything. The Attorney General cannot do anything. What we are talking about is not emotional, it is legal. And Tampuli does not know what we are talking about. Tampuli is doing politics. He is being emotional. He is forgetting that all that is happening now, it's more legal than political. It is legal because people are looking to find loopholes in the law. And when you give them the opportunity, when we put laws across or before us and we are not make sure it is airtight, that is how people get the opportunity to skip or go through the cracks. And MPP, for what they were doing, from the beginning, they knew, said the office did not have that prosecutorial power. That is why they put that caveat. They say the Attorney General should do the authorization. Now the question here is, Ochina Attorney General be letter, not the OSP. Not OSP back court. Not Nipa now or the regional court. Because OSP, a mere paper from the Attorney General cannot be a legitimate or a constitutional document backed by the law for you to use in prosecuting me. The OSP will still need interpretation in the Supreme Court. So if we want to give the OSP full authorization, then we have to go back to Parliament for Parliament to make it clear, explicitly clear, that the OSP can prosecute. Now, if we cannot do that, then let us make the OSP an investigative body and make the Attorney General's office a prosecutorial body. Then we know the distinction. Tampuli Bejiraga say Attorney General did not. Tampuli is weak in reasoning. This is law. This is rationality. This is not about emotions and politics. This is legality. And you cannot just sit there and make any stupid statement. Now, Shadia, the same MPP that is telling us to say they love the Attorney General. This is the MPP, the minority. When they got the opportunity, they told us, in the past, MPP for Kachire say they want the OSP's office to be closed down. You know why? Because they were saying, the amount of money OSP, it is too much. But today, the MPP is telling us to say, oh, you know what? We are in support of the OSP's office. We want to protect the office. What the MPP is made out of. It is a party full of foolish piglets. They don't respect you. Hey? This is the minority led by the Menchia South MP. Akwara na no tintin se epono. Listen to me very well. Almost say almost pay OSP office no. If you say there are other investigative bodies are ejuma omo ye no OSP to me yes ejuma ni bi na sika OSP said no why should we keep the office and the MPP say they love the OSP so much. Listen to the MPP.
Nemum office no ana ye ka ho asem. Office of the Special Prosecutor no at ababa ye adwuma mfie nwotwe intibra so se ye mpensen mu na ye nhwe nsunsuanso a anyama yen. Office no eba ye se won sika wodi bedi dwuma no ba parliament enfoaso ema wo mo. Parliament enfoaso ma wo mo no ana ye bisa sebe omudwumadi a omudie. Ekoba se eye 3 cases penalty say or more prosecuted. That says if you watch your office no buy no a cases in watch miensape and a prosecute cases no so crowd no sha. Not just say Sabi ekaya me say to meti try I can't say emra medino na enye focused or hon sa. Inti eno na ma enra ye kase say no braso ye review for say o sha ekua ewo ho a ekoketa asehye ne proye wo kuruma no enye office of the special prosecutor no nko a ye wo shraj ye wo yoko and ye wo financial intelligence commission FIC na omu nyina akoketa asehye na wo hwe obi te say shraj a wo hwe dwumadi omadi wo kuruma efie bebre ni na omama ye results pa. It's senka almost no nanka yede to me ma wo almost say omu ye nhihemu no mu so obi ayeketa asehye ana proya sebi omu de say to me no omu betumi de nipa na kogina court akobo no kwadu a you may feel senka bi ebe den ebeboa wo hwe yoko nso a omu aye bebre a che say wo betumi anya evidence bebre ewo mujumedi a omaide edie it is a wo hwe sa institutions we mu ewo ho dada omoye adwuma no abisa ho say office content cro officer ono na eye sa prosecutions ye da so hia na ebi anke de sika no ede ma shraj ene yoko anko ombedi dwubasuo bebre ayeden amaye fisa wo hwe shraja ono no wo hwe constitution mu a owo ne fa ahudi ankasa fi say ono no wo hwe free 1996 eba aban bi obeba besi suo biara o de ne ho nipa ana wo do ono amu complain kwa onsuro se obehihemu aka na dwena ayeden akyerew omo wo sa track record no etina de na aka de aka ne se ohihemu wie a wo de bekwa akogina court say to me no onye den onie ti emfa say to me nye den ema no no fa nye na dwuma na sika nso a ye de ma ebia office of the special prosecutor no a say mfie nwotwinie mesrew ehun sunsuanso no nyi sunsuanso kese bia no ye mfa masa bodies ya ebo adwuma yi
na no tintin sen sunsuanso what you say no ka MPP for ya o say insunsuanso nano satratatai wa nano ne insunsuanso nano ensunsuanso wo dia na oka yanji OSP office ni yengu no ni amfa sika na ya spend no emfama shraj FIC any edien attorney general's office because OSP enkwasi adwuma na oye onye hwema ye mfie wotwe 3 cases be na watena ho MPP for no unum dia na ogina so kasa asem no we na original so kasa asem no me chow MPP for nkwasiafo se ne omusuban tie na o say mom yenhwe OSP budget. This is the time na omopese ye pam OSP ne gu office no insunsuanso fresh prince of akatamanso na no se ya brago sketa no what nkwasi maraka we na original so de kasa ansem no why na no se ya brago sketa no insunsuanso abuofuru and I must say you are in support of the office when na original so o ka kire say adenti ne yeda ho keep OSP office because office no say sika and okachire o say o check from 2018 ebesi 2026 sika yeda ma OSP no for so now look at the budget so we are calculations now monies that were allocated to the office of the special prosecutor from 2018 no From 2018 to 2026, sika ya allocate Ediama OSP office no is about 714 million Ghana cedis. 714 million Ghana cedis. That is allocation, meaning a sika ye ready budget and Ediama. So probability say almost ever using nyina and I say almost nyina no high. So this money, which is 714 million Ghana cedis, no, let's say na a allocation OSP enya full amount no every year into OSP nya half of that amount every year. So we breaking the crack half. It means technically OSP received about 300 million Ghana cedis in the 8 years. All the dollars more, almost $24 million. When Nana MPP for Gina Sokachre say the OSP's office should be shut down and that in Sunsanswo, Ejuma Papa Bienho. And then Kwasiafo Ekachire said they are in support of the office because one person creating pressure to be catch Ghana for say NDC for time OSP on person good office no. But before this incident happened, they gave us this list and told us to say Adentina you are spending 740 million Ghana cedis allocated money to the OSP office. Abra waye ejuma miensape. Identity for Sikari Masraj, young from FIC, young from Attorney General's office. The same people who were saying we have spent so much money on the office of the special prosecutor, na Yengu office, no, and the Sankwasia former catcher said they support the office of the special prosecutor's office. Into a how can any reasonable person into a calculation now 714 million Ghana cedis, no bad dollars, almost $50 million. That is allocation to the office. Into the Yankas allocation in 8 years, no, Omunya allocation in technically in 8 years, 46 to $50 million Nedama OSP. Now, because it is allocation, the probability of the OSP not receiving everything is high. In Tianka say allocation no every year biano onya half of the allocation, meaning the OSP in the 8 years no made about 300 million cedis in dollar terms no about $25 million. But someone say Adentina ende the MPP is saying they are supporting the OSP's office. It is because of your politics. The same people who were against the OSP, abusing the office, spending the money, have turned around today to tell you, say, we embrace the OSP, we love the OSP. NDC wants to shut down the office. But they were the same piglets who were on the sidelines telling us we should shut it down. MPP and Kwasiafo. It is a limited liability foolish party filled with limited liability stupid idiots. And I keep telling Ghana for, ready to say, NDC are buying, where they may know Kwasiafo. The NPP is a bad nut. You don't understand politics. This is what they did. Intended. So what is the MPP catcher will say? Oh, we as MPP, you know something? We love the OSP. We will protect the OSP. No, but will say MPP for somewhere Jimmy. This is the MPP. They see everybody to be stupid. Why na no se pioto? In sunsanso. Mamimbo sunsanso. Hena no ni sunsanso. Hena no.
Nemum office no anaye ka ho asem. Office of the special prosecutor no at ababa ye adwuma mfie nwotwe intibra so se yempensem mu ne yenhwe insunsanso a anyama yen. Intibra so se yempensem mu ne yenhwe insunsanso a anyama yen. Intibra so se yempensem mu ne yenhwe insunsanso a anyama yen. Ne yenhwe insunsanso a anyama yen. Nienshe insunsanso a enyama 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 yen.
Wanu se Sorokuban insunsanso wanu se pieto. Tomote. The
NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.